Hi, it's Enfield car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of the biggest sites of car accidents in Enfield, and that is the Suffield Enfield Bridge. Now, I have lived in this area for most of my 41 years. I grew up in Enfield. My parents live right over the bridge in Suffield, so I've been over that bridge many, many times, and it feels like over the past 20 years, the bridge has been under constant construction, where lanes are shifting, where it's single lane, double lane. You've got the merge that's very complicated down the Pearl Street, by Pearl Street Library, beautiful library, going into Suffield, where you've got cars that are coming out of the commercial district at a very high rate of speed. I'm doing this video now in February 2022, and again, I can't even really comment on the lanes because they change so frequently. Is it double lane? Is it single lane? So on that bridge, you see accidents. You see several different kinds of accidents. One, sometimes you see head-on accidents. Accidents where one party, traveling to Enfield or to Suffield, crosses that yellow line and causes a head-on collision. And head-on collisions tend to have very, very serious injuries. And other times you see accidents where people don't merge properly. That happens as well. Occasionally on the bridge, and I remember some friends in high school, they would race on the bridge when it is two lanes, and that racing is incredibly dangerous. Drivers who are driving recklessly across that bridge. So there are a number of reasons for car accidents that happen on the bridge. There are different cameras on the bridge. There are lots of vehicular traffic that goes over that bridge. And so if you're injured or you know somebody who's been injured on a car accident on that bridge, you're going to want to get in touch with an Enfield car accident attorney to assess your case. Now, sometimes you could be really hurt. Maybe the lawyer has to go out to the hospital, whether it's Hartford Hospital, St. Francis, or Bay State. Or other times you may suffer injuries at the scene, may be okay, but come to find out later on there's something more significant. So whatever the reason, if you or somebody you know has been in an accident on the Enfield-Suffield Bridge, give me a call. My name's Ryan McKeen. I'm from Enfield. My office is right over the bridge, down by Smith Soft Serve in Enfield. My number is 860-471-8333. Thank you.